Okay, we were doing this exercise. You have problem in D exercise. Hamza opened the door, switched on the lights, and turned on the television. Okay. Divya has a problem in this exercise. Divya, unmute yourself. Divya Gupta. Divya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Do you have problem in this exercise, D exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read this passage. Read this paragraph.
Hamza opened the door, switched on the lights, and turned on the television. He took out his wallet and threw it on the bed. Someone had broken the flower vase. Who could have done that? A strange sense of fear plagued him. Was it a haunting room? The sound of the creaking door nearby startled him. Everyone had warned him not to spend the night there.
Yes, very good. You have read this passage. We have to write this passage in passive form. First of all, who is the doer of the action? Divya, who is the speaker? Who is the subject here?
Hamza.
Hamza is the subject. So Hamza is doing all these action. He had opened the door. He had switched on the light, turned on the television. So what we will do? First of all, we will start from the door. जो first action जो उसने किया ना, इससे start करेंगे. इसका passive voice बनाओ. Open the door. मान लीजिए हमजा ने डोर ओपन किया तो इसका पैसिव बनेगा द डोर वाज ओपन, ऐसे बनेगा ना. और सब्जेक्ट एक ही है सारे एक्शंस का. 3 एक्शंस आर देयर. हमजा हैड ओपन द डोर, स्विच्ड ऑन द लाइट, टर्न्ड ऑन द टेलीविजन, एंड द सब्जेक्ट इज one only and 3 actions are being done by him. So first of all we will do the door was opened, comma, the lights were switched on, and the television was turned on by Hamza. Okay, is it clear, Divya? First of all, we will do this subject. We will make door subject. door को subject बना के हम कैसे करेंगे देखिए. मान लीजिए सबसे पहले हम दी डोर को सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे. दी डोर वाज ओपन्ड, पास्ट टेंस चल रहा है. ओपन्ड, स्विच्ड ऑन, टर्न्ड ऑन सेकंड फॉर्म है. वी विल यूज वाज वर्ब. डोर सिंगुलर है तो वाज यूज करेंगे. दी डोर वाज ओपन्ड, कोमा, दी लाइट्स वर स्विच्ड ऑन. लाइट्स प्लूरल है. लाइट्स प्लूरल है ना, दी लाइट्स. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वर. दी लाइट्स वर स्विच्ड ऑन एंड द टेलीविजन वाज टर्न्ड ऑन बाय हमजा. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज क्लियर. He took out his wallet and threw it on the bed. फिर हम his wallet की बजाय the wallet बोलेंगे क्योंकि हम ये किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. हम हमजा सारे एक्शन कर रहा है. he किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? हमजा के लिए. तो हम बोलेंगे the wallet was taken out. took second form, its second form. His wallet was taken out and thrown on the bed by him. his wallet की बजाय the wallet भी यूज कर सकते हैं. The wallet was taken out and thrown on the bed. It लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि हम wallet के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. On the bed by him. Now, third part. Someone had broken the flower vase. Divya, you tell the answer. Someone had broken the flower vase. Tell its answer. The flower
vase had been broken.
Yes, the flower vase had been broken. No need to write someone. If you want to write, you can write also. The flower vase was broken by someone. यहाँ पे important है बताना कि किसी ने तोड़ दिया था क्योंकि when he opened the door, someone has done that action. Okay. Sir, voice is not clear. Mintu Kadan, बेटा एक बार network check करें. Lavisa, your answer is right. The door was opened. The lights के साथ वर लगेगा बेटा. The lights were switched on. The television was turned on by Hamza. The flower vase had been broken by someone. Yes, Akshat Goyal, your answer is also right. Okay. The flower vase had been broken by someone. Who could have done that? You know that when sentence starts with who, we have to change it into by whom.
By whom?
By whom could, अब that को आप आगे लाओगे, by whom, और it भी बना सकते हो आप, by
1242.
बेटा यहाँ पे that इस एक्शन के लिए आया है, किसी ने फ्लावर वॉज तोड़ दिया तो someone had broken the flower vase, इसके लिए that आया, तो हम इसको it भी बना सकते हैं. Who, by whom could it have been done? By whom could it have been done? Okay. A strange sense of fear plagued him. Divya, tell the answer of this. A strange sense of fear plagued him. Divya.
Strange sense of fear plagued him.
Divya, can you tell the answer?
No, sir.
Lavisa, will you try or unmute yourself, Lavisa?
Okay, sir.
A strange
Yes,
sense
sir.
of fear plagued him. A few students are writing answer in
A
chat.
strange sense of fear plugged him.
Two students' answer is right. Hiba and Akshat Goyal, his answer is right. Hiba, you tell beta. Hiba, unmute you yourself. Yes, beta. Tell. Yes, Hiba.
A strange sense of fear was plugged him.
Here a strange sense of fear plagued him. Him को ही बनाएंगे बेटा subject. When we make him subject, it will become he. He was plagued. Plagued first form है, second form है बेटा. हम was पर use करेंगे. He was
He
plagued
was plagued
by a strange sense of fear. He was plagued by a strange sense of fear. Was it a haunted room? अब यहाँ पे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. Was से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट है तो was ही लगा रहेगा. Was it a haunted room? तो इसका आंसर ये बनेगा was it a haunted room. इसका आंसर बन जाएगा was the room haunted. देखिए बेटा was से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट है, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन इज स्टार्टिंग विद was तो यही रहेगा क्योंकि रूम को आगे लाएंगे, वो भी सिंगुलर है. was the room haunted. अब इट रिमूव कर देंगे. was it a haunted room, क्योंकि रूम की ही बात कर रहे हैं हम और रूम ही ऑब्जेक्ट है, रूम ही सब्जेक्ट है. was the room भी लगा सकते हैं क्योंकि हम उसी रूम की बात कर रहे हैं. was the room haunted. Okay, haunted means a place where ghost visits regularly. एक ऐसा स्थान जहां पर ghost regularly आते रहते हैं. Was that for he was plagued by a strange sense of fear. From Janice to me, was that for was the room haunted? Yes, was the room haunted is the right answer. Now the sound of creaking door nearby startled him. The sound of a creaking door. The sound of a creaking door, ये क्या है? The sound of a creaking door, it's subject. Subject. हिम को सब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे आप तो इसका आंसर बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे मैं आंसर
Was startled by the sound of a creaking door.
Yes, he was startled. STARTLED. What do you mean by startled? Divya, do you know? He was startled by a strange startled means surprised, astonished by sorry, I have written typed here wrong. By the sound, by the sound, SOUND, sound of a creaking door. Okay, is the answer clear to you? Is it visible, Divya?
Yes, sir.
You are started
Yes,
by
sir.
creaking door. Now last sentence. Everyone had warned him not to spend the night there. Can you answer it now?
He was warned by everyone not to spend the night there. He had been warned by everyone not to spend night there.
Okay, everyone had warned him not to spend the night there. Okay, he was warned. He had been warned by everyone
Warned
not to spend the night.
night there.
Okay, he had been warned against spending the night there by everyone. ऐसे भी लगा सकते हैं हम. Answer can also be this. He had been warned against spending the night there by everyone. This can also be answered. Okay. Shall I have to write it, or is it clear to you? Yes.
Yeah.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move to last page, last exercise? This is the last one we were doing yesterday, and I have told you to do it. And these are very easy one. First one I have done yesterday, and I hope you have also done. What is the answer of this first?
Yes, sir.
I am going to ask from Akshat. Akshat has raised his hand. Is there Akshat here? Okay. Akshat here, it is he. Akshat, unmute yourself. Akshat, are you listening to me? Okay, Akshat is not going to listen. Janice has raised hand. Okay, Janice has raised her hand. Let me see, where is she? Janice, yes, unmute yourself. Yes, Janice, tell the answer.
Yes. Sir, of second part, it will.
Yes, second part. First part. Passive voice, this one.
The white mug is filled with sand. Sand.
The white mug is filled with sand.
Sand.
This is also the right answer. And tell the answer of this one also. Tell the answer of this one.
Sand is filled in the white mug.
Okay. This sand. No, second one. The sand filled the white mug. What will the answer of second? The sand filled.
Sand is filled in the white mug.
But that was first one. It's second one. Second part is also there. That is passive voice. Here it is passive voice. And it's passive voice. It's passive voice. Okay. And now we have to do. Is it clear to everyone? First passive voice, and now we have to do this one. Active voice. Yes. Who is speaking? Yes. It's active. And its answer will be sand filled
Is filled with the white mug.
filled the white mug. Sand filled the white mug. Okay.
The
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer.
the white
Savja, unmute yourself and tell me the answer of third one.
Nagesh is reading.
Nagesh is reading enjoyed section 5. Reading is standard. Is done by fiction.
Beta, here we will make fiction. Fiction, F-I-C-T-I-O-N, fiction reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Those who know the answer, they can write in chat box. Fiction reading is enjoyed, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoyed by Nagesh, N-A-E-S-H. Is it right? Fiction reading is enjoyed by Nagesh. 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
6 parts are there. Fiction reading is enjoyed by, and it's passive voice. Which tense is this? Passive.
Passive voice.
It's passive. Now let's do its second part. Savija will do second part.
Sir enjoys reading Nagesh.
Nagesh.
Nagesh enjoys fiction reading.
Yes, Nagesh enjoys fiction reading. Reading fiction. नहीं, ऐसे आंसर नहीं आएगा बेटा. Fiction reading. बेटा यहाँ पे फिक्शन का मतलब होता है इमेजिनरी स्टोरी. Okay. First of all, Divya, you tell your query. You have raised your hand. Then Janice, I will take your query. Yes, Divya, what is your query?
I have no query. I raised my hand to answer questions.
Janice also raised her hand to tell the answer. Okay. Janice, okay.
Yes, sir, only to answer.
Okay, up to 3, up to 3, is it clear? Let's move to 4.
Yes, sir.
3 sentences are left, and let's do. We will do this. Okay, those who know the answer, write in chat box. I am going to unmute Guru Priya. She will. Lavisa has also raised her hand, but she has answered earlier. Guru Priya, if you can. Okay, Guru Priya has answered. Guru Priya, tell the
Saturday.
4th, first one. बेटा स्पेसिफाइज फ्लोर से स्टार्ट करें. दी फ्लोर से, दी फ्लोर को सब्जेक्ट बनाए बेटा.
Simple, clear.
Janice Chandana has raised her hand. Okay. Tell beta Janice. Janice, you are unmuted. Tell your answer.
The floor will be cleaned every Saturday by Joseph.
Okay. Every Saturday you can write in at the end also. Okay. First answer will be the floor. Let me select text. Shall I write this answer? Because okay, let me write this answer only. The floor will be, but will be
Clean
Cleaned, cleaned by Joseph
every
by
Saturday.
every Saturday. EVERY every Saturday. Is it right? Okay, the floor will
Yes.
be cleaned by Joseph every Saturday. Now make its other sentence. Second part is also there. Now it's very easy. Okay. Who will tell? Lavisa, you are unmuted. Tell this answer. Second part. Lavisa, will you tell?
Okay, sir.
Tell.
Sir, that Saturday.
उसका अपोजिट कर दीजिए बेटा, जो हमने पैसिव बनाया था उसका अपोजिट कर दीजिए.
Joseph
Yes.
clean.
Yes, will clean. Joseph will clean.
Joseph will clean the floor every Saturday.
Oh, no.
Joseph clean the floor by every Saturday.
Yes, Joseph will clean the floor every Saturday. Okay. Now let's
Yes, sir.
shift one. Sukriti, unmute yourself. Sukriti, unmute yourself and tell the answer of fifth one. Sukriti. सुकृति नहीं सुन रही है. गौरवी, गौरवी unmute yourself. Ishan, and
Yes, sir.
who is speaking? Okay, Gurupriya.
Yes.
Now who is speaking? Sukriti or
Well,
Ishan or Navya? Who is speaking? Gurupriya is raising her hand. Okay, Gurupriya. Yes. Tell beta.
hey, apple.
Yes.
Mary ate the pineapple.
Okay, apple pie. Mary ate the apple pie. Okay. Its answer will be Mary ate the apple pie. The pie made with apple. What is its second answer? Second part. Yes, Gurupriya, tell.
The apple pie was eaten by Mary.
Yes, absolutely right. Subham Narwal, unmute yourself. Subham Narwal. शुभम नरवाल हम नहीं अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं, ईशान भी नहीं कर रहा.
Bought by Abhinav.
Okay, then.
Abhinav bought a pizza.
Bought a pizza.
Swarnim, you tell last part.
A pizza was bought by Abhinav.
Abhinav bought a pizza. A pizza was bought by Abhinav.
Abhinav.
Okay, is your mouth watering by hearing the name of pizza? Jessica has answer of last one. Jessica. Jessica.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. What is your query?
Sir, nothing. I'm telling the answer of last part. Sixth, that a pizza was bought by Abhinav.
Okay, pizza. A pizza was bought by Abhinav. Okay, what will be its active voice? क्या होंगे बेटा?
A pizza was bought by
Abhinav bought a pizza.
Okay, yes, Abhinav.
Abhinav bought a pizza.
Pizza was bought by Abhinav. Okay, let's. Now I will see your chat. Mary ate the apple pie. The apple pie was eaten आएगा बेटा यहाँ पे. लविशा कपूर थर्ड फॉर्म लगती है बेटा पैसिव वॉइस में. जो आपने फिफ्थ का आंसर दिया है चैट बॉक्स में, द एप्पल पाई वाज ईटन बाय मैरी. वाज ईटन आएगा बेटा. ओके, 5 मिनट्स और लेते हैं क्लास के. आप अपनी क्वेरीज बताएं. आप मुझे कोई डाउट है तो बोल लें बेटा. मैं आपको अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ सबको. कोई क्वेरी है तो बोलें. अभिनव.
No, sir.
Let me.
No, sir.
5 minutes are there. Till in 5 minutes, I will take your queries, and from tomorrow, I will start preposition. Next topic. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Nandi beta, who is speaking? Tell your name.
Sir, Yashika.
Okay, Yashika, tell.
Sir, can you explain one time imperative and negative imperative and negative rules of active and passive voice?
Imperative sentence. Okay, when imperative.
And negative also.
Okay, negative also. Okay, don't worry. Suppose there is negative. Read this passage. This sentence, read this passage. Then we will start. We can do it in 2 ways. First is you are ordered to read this passage. Okay, you are ordered to read this passage. Or we can start it with let this passage be read. Let this passage be read. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Okay. do not go there. Do not eat this. Let not this be eaten. अब नोट नेगेटिव आ जाए तो नोट लेट के बाद ही लगाना है. ओके. Do not touch the wire. Let not the wire be touched. Let wire not be touched. ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं इसको. Okay. Any another doubt? Jessica? Janice has raised her hand. Okay, Janice, ask your query. Janice, unmute yourself.
No query, sir.
No query. Okay, Lavisa, do you have any query? Anybody who has query, raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, please explain some sentences of using let.
Let, do it.
Yes, sir.
Let it be done. Okay. Eat this apple. Apple. You are advised to eat this apple, or let this apple be eaten. Okay. Do your work. Let your work be done by you. ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. Let your work be done. Okay. Complete your exercise. Let your exercise be completed. Okay. There are so many examples. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, open the door. Let the door be opened. Okay. Please open the door. You are requested to open the door. Kindly open the door. You are requested to open the door. Let the door be opened. So this one name is not written, but phone name T445SR. Lower your hand and unmute yourself. First of all, rename yourself as your name for all the time. Just better tell your name first. Yes, student, raise your hand. T445R54R. Tell your name. Who is this student? If you have any query, you can send to me my WhatsApp number, personal WhatsApp number. Any query regarding this passive voice. I hope you have done your exercises in your book. आपने सबने कर लिया book. Divya, show me your book.
No, sir.
Okay, those who have not done, okay, good. Those who have done, good. And those who have not done, do it. If you are not having book, do it in notebook. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the book, rules of imperative are different from those you send in PDFs.
No, same rules are same. Which rule is different?
Sir, in the PDF there is written we have to use the sentences by you are ordered, you are requested this way, and in the book we have to use let.
But both answers are right. If you know the meaning of the sentence, if there is request, you can use you are requested, and you can use let also. Both answers are right. There are two ways to make. Okay, book में नहीं लिखा हुआ वो you are requested. अगर please और kindly आ जाए, जैसे मैं आपको बोलूँ please start your video. You are requested to start your video. This is passive sense. Okay, you are ordered to bring me a glass of water. This is passive sentence. Okay, and you can do both way, with let also and with you are requested, you are advised. But when you are using you are requested, you are advised, you are ordered, then you must be able to judge the sense of the sentence. Is there any request? Is there any ordered? Or is there any command? Or is there any suggestion? Is there any advice? You must know through the meaning of the sentence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I end this meeting? Yes, right. Yes, in the chat box. Because I started 10 minutes late, you can enjoy 5 minutes relax now. Your next class will also be there. So shall I end this meeting? Do you have any query? Okay, I am going to end the meeting. And if you have any query, you can write me to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay.